Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So first sentence is, he has a brain like a sieve. He has a brain like a sieve. उसकी याददाश्त बहुत कमज़ोर है. Second, I'm at your service. I'm at your service. मैं आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ. 3, it's the in thing. It's the in thing. ये आजकल का ट्रेंड है. 4, he narrowly escaped today. He narrowly escaped today. वो आज बार बार बचा. 5, don't talk in riddles. Don't talk in riddles. पहेलियाँ मत बुझाओ. 6, you got my attention. You got my attention. मेरा ध्यान तुम पर है. 7, high winds blow on high hills. High winds blow on high hills. बड़े लोगों की बड़ी बातें. 8, really you are such a praiseworthy. Really, you are such a praiseworthy. तुम वाकई काबिल तारीफ हो. 9, I'm taking my exams. I'm taking my exams. मैं अपने इम्तिहान दे रहा हूँ. The last one is 10. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. मैंने पिछली रात एक ख्वाब देखा. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.